All right, today we have a special unboxing. We went to the Apple Store today and we got a iPad Air. This is the 13-inch iPad Air. We used to have the iPad Pro first generation. Again, this is much smaller, even just by the box you can see it's a much smaller. It's a smaller version of the iPad Pro first generation. So let's see what it looks like inside. And here it is. This is the 13-inch iPad Air, 256 gigabytes. Kind of similar to the first generation iPad Pro where you have the single camera at the top, but it's much larger. If we look in terms of size, we see, if we look at the size difference, just what you can see, it's a good bit longer and wider. See what else is in the box here. So again, we have the instructions, and of course it probably has the sticker inside. They have a power brick and as well a braided cable. If you look at here, a braided cable, USB-C. That's one thing about this iPad Air, it is USB-C. Then one more thing, since we were able to use the education discount, we got a free Pencil Pro. So that came also with our iPad Air. So let's see what's inside. And there we go. The instruction sheet here. The pencil. It is wrapped in the same kind of plastic as the iPad. Should be able to stick it in right at the top, just like that. And it charges just like that. That is it for today.